Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number 10. Chapter name is Mensurations in 6th Max NCERT book. So in this chapter, now today we are going to see exercise number 10.3. Take new page, write exercise number 10.3. Take the first question. Find the areas of the rectangle whose sides are so in this sum we have to take subdivision A part, that is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Find the area of the rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So in this sum here given is side of a rectangle. Okay, what do you find? We have to find area of the rectangle by using these two sides. Here we have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Already you learned formula for area of rectangle. Okay, what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Here length represent 3 centimeter and breadth represent 4 centimeter. So we have to substitute the value 3 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Next we have to multiply 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. So 12 centimeters square unit. Okay, so therefore area of rectangle equal to 12 centimeter square unit. Next we have to take the subdivision. (2 meter and 70 centimeter. Now see this sum. You have to compare these two units. Here unit are different, not same. So we have to convert centimeter into meter. First we have to write the area of rectangle formula. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Here length is 2 meter. Breadth is 70 centimeter. Here we can change the unit as same. So we have to convert 70 centimeter as 70 meter. So 70 by by 100 centimeter, because 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. You can write in bracket 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Here we can change 70 centimeter as 70 by 100 meter. This is not centimeter. This one is meter, 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. Then 2 meter into 70 by 100 means 0.70 meter. 0.70 meter. Then we have to multiply these two numbers. 2 into 0.70 means 1.4 meter square. Next we have to move question number 2. Take question number 2. Find the area. Find the areas of the square whose sides are, let me take the first subdivision. Here first subdivision is 10 centimeter. A subdivision is 10 centimeter. We have to convert. We have to find the area of the square by using this side. Okay. So what is the formula of area of square? Area of square equal to A square. A is denoted by side. So we can write side into side. This is formula for area of square. Here side is 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 into 10, 100. We get 100 centimeter square. So therefore, area of square equal to 100 centimeter square. 100 centimeter square. Next we have to take subdivision C. Five meter. This sum also same model as before. First we have to write the formula for this sum. Area of square. Area of square equal to side into side. Area of square equal to side into side. Here side is 5 meter, not centimeter. Listen carefully. 5 meter. 5 meter into 5 meter. 5 5s are 25. So 25 meter square. Okay. M into M, M square. So therefore, area of square equal to 25 meter square. Area of square equal to 25 meter square. Second sum is over. Next we have to move Third sum. Write question number 3. The length of and breadth of three rectangle as given below. We take A subdivision. Here A subdivision is 9 meter and 6 meter. 9 meter and 6 meter. So we have to find the area of the rectangle by using length and breadth. So first we have to write area of rectangle equal to, what is the formula for area of rectangle? L into B. L into length into breadth. Here length is 9 meter and breadth is 6 meter. Length is 9 meter and breadth represent 6 meter. What is the next step? Next step is we have to multiply 9 and 6. So 9 6 are 54. Meter into meter, meter square. So area means the unit of area is square unit. So area of rectangle equal to, therefore area of rectangle equal to 54 meter square. Next we have to take the subdivision C. Here's length is 4 meter and breadth is 14 meter. This is given. We have to find area of rectangle. Here area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Here length is 4 meter. Length is 4 meter and breadth is 14 meter. So 4 into 14 is, we get the answer 56. Here unit is meter square. So therefore area of rectangle equal to 56 meter square. Next we have to see the question number 4. Write the question. Fourth question. The area of The area of a rectangular garden (5 meter long, is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long, is 300 square meter. Find the width of the garden. Okay, this is our question. Here given is area of rectangular garden is 50 meter and length of the rectangular garden is 300 square meter. Then we have to find width of the garden, that is breadth of the garden. Okay, first we have to write the given portion. Here given is length of rectangle. Length of rectangle is 300. Length of rectangle is 50 meter. Area of rectangle is area of rectangle is 300 square unit, that is 300 meter square. Okay, so we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. First we have we can write area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Then we have to substitute the value by this formula. Okay, here area of rectangle is 300 meter square equal to length is 50 meter. We don't know the breadth of rectangle, so we can write the breadth. Okay, here we have to find the breadth, so we have to take 50 on left side, so it comes division. Breadth. Next step we have to cancel these two value in 5 10 table, 0 cancel. Next we have to cancel in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 6 5s are 30. So we get here cancel m one time, come m. So we get the answer 6 meter. So breadth of rectangle is how many meter? 6 meter. So we can write thus the breadth of the garden is rectangular garden is 6 meter. This sum is over. Next we have to move the homework sums. Today's homework is This is your homework, students. Okay, thank you, students.